At Autoglass, your safety is always our priority. And depending on your vehicle and work being done, we may need you to come to one of our centres. It's where we have the expertise and technology to keep you safe on the road. Today's vehicles are constantly evolving, and many use advanced safety systems to warn you of hazards. They use cameras and sensors often fitted behind the rear-view mirror and near the bumper. Some even take control of the vehicle, applying the brakes in an emergency. When a front windscreen is replaced, the cameras and sensors behind the rear-view mirror need to be removed and reattached. Vehicle manufacturers require the cameras and sensors to be reset following a windscreen replacement to ensure the safety systems work correctly. This is called recalibration, and when you make your appointment, we'll let you know if this is required. If it is, we'll complete it at the same time as your windscreen replacement. The manufacturer provides specific instructions for how each vehicle type should be recalibrated. This may need to be completed in one of our centres where we have the level flooring and lighting required, or it may need to be driven, or sometimes both. If recalibration isn't carried out, you could be relying on a faulty system, and that's a potential risk to both you and others on the road. In our centres, target boards specific to each vehicle manufacturer are aligned precisely with your vehicle using lasers. Once the setup is complete, our technicians follow the correct process to complete the recalibration. If your vehicle needs to be driven, the technician will complete some tests in the centre and then drive your vehicle according to the manufacturer's criteria. This includes driving at a particular speed for a set time and distance. It can take up to an hour, so you will need adequate fuel or charge if it's an electric vehicle. Autoglass is the industry leader in providing windscreen replacement and advanced safety system recalibration services. And our technicians are trained to the highest standards using the latest technology. Advanced safety systems have been put in place to keep you and your passengers safe. You can count on Autoglass to keep it that way.
Autoglass repair, Autoglass replace.